Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a running program with Couch to 5K step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the Couch to 5K app downloaded and installed on your device. Open the Couch to 5K app. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, select the Start option to begin your journey. Choose your preferred training plan based on your fitness level. Select your running days on the calendar to schedule your workouts. Set up your reminders so the app can notify you before each workout. Connect the app to your music playlist if you'd like to listen while you run. Familiarize yourself with the app's interface to make navigation easier during workouts. Start your first workout by selecting Start Training. Follow the voice prompts during the session that guide you on when to walk and when to run. Stay focused on your form while running, ensuring you maintain a steady pace. Utilize the timer feature to track your intervals throughout the session. After completing each workout, review your performance metrics displayed in the app. Celebrate your progress and make notes on how you felt after each workout. Stay committed to your scheduled running days for the best results. As you complete each week, prepare to move on to the next level of intensity. Stay hydrated and give your body time to recover between sessions. Keep track of your overall progress and adjust your goals as needed. If you encounter any difficulties, refer to the app's support section for help. With persistence and dedication, you'll be ready to run a 5K. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.